Well, hello fellow nerds, this is Dimmerism TV and we're here for another little tutorial on technical stuff. So this is a thing that causes confusion for some people, but it's actually really easy. And that's how to kick and also add bots in the correct way for Discord. So I have a Discord server. You can join it in the description if you want to talk some games with us. Anyways, to kick bots, it's really easy. You just have, you have the bots here, and in this case we will kick Me6. So what you do, how to remove Me6 from the server is just as I said, you kick him or it. So here is Swedish though, but it says kick Me6, sparka Me6. Just click that, and you don't need to write any reason, and then you can just kick. And that's basically how to do it. Sometimes you might need to go into server settings here for your server, and you need sometimes to go to roles here, and in some cases you also need to destroy the role that is connected with the bot, but most roles are automatically handled, so you can't do that. So if Me6 role is not here, or whatever bot you're trying to kick, you don't need to delete it. If it is there, you might need to do that. Anyways, to invite a bot correctly, or so to say, is really easy. And you search for the bot you want to invite, and we want Tatsumaki, and you just click invite to Discord. You will get an authorize setting here, and you can just click authorize, and you need to, of course to select server you want her to. But we already done that, so we don't need to do that here. We already have her, the Tatsumaki bot here. So anyways, that's how to do it, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe for future tutorials, or well, if this helped you, please leave a like and share it to some friends if they are confused, so they can be helped. Anyways, I thank you very much for watching. This is Dimmerism TV, officially signing out.